Okay, good afternoon, everyone. In this session, we'll discuss about the introduction to R. That is a topic from the unit 5. So, as we have discussed in previous session, R is an integrated suite of software. So, basically, it is a collection of some programs which will provide you environment to write the code for a specific purpose. So basically, R is developed to process the statistical data. So there are libraries available which is favorable to the data analytics. So using the R, we can perform the data manipulation, calculation, and the graphical display. So when we are working with the data analysis, the first part comes to us data collection. After that, we need to go through the data because there are some unwanted values within the data. There are null values within the data set. So we need to filter out and remove those values from the data. Otherwise, they will generate biases among the result. Sometimes we need users have provided data set with a ambiguous value. So we need to be tackled with these kind of values. So data manipulation must be done by before the actual processing of data. Then we'll perform the logic using the R software. So based on the data set, we can perform the different logics. For example, if we have data related to some e-commerce website, so we can write the logic or we can think the logic based on the business nature. And if we are working with the data related to text information, then we have to write the logic as per the textual analysis of our data. Same thing, if we have a data related to images, then the logic will be different. So our software will provide us a way to write these different kinds of logics with a very favorable conditions and graphical display. So if we have worked with the data, we need to graphically display the data so that we can get the overview of the data, what is data, what the data is trying to say. So sometimes you will get the idea while seeing the data distribution that what kind of nature that is with the data, and based on that nature, you can decide which portion of data should be worked on. R is also provide us effective data handling and a storage facility. So as we have discussed about the data handling, so it also works with the storage facility. So you can store your data set after performing your logical operations or data analytics, and you can store those information for a future use. It is a suite of operator for calculation on arrays in particular matrices. So when we are dealing with the data analytics, we have to convert them into arrays, and we have to use different types of matrices as per the application's requirement. So R will provide all such kind of operators, arrays, and the matrices so that we can perform complex numerical operation in an easier way. It also comes with the some inbuilt data tools, data analytics tools that is usable to perform various data analytics operations. For example, you need to find out that what is the relationship between the data using the different modeling. So you can use those different libraries to apply those modeling in the R programming language. Graphical facilities for data analysis and display either directly at the computer or on hardware. So you have a graphical facility. So basically, you can generate the graph of the data using the R. So this graph is can be generated in a different way. So based on your requirement, you can generate a different kinds of graph. So we'll see what are the different types of blocks we can generate using the R language in upcoming lecture, as well as we'll also work on the matplotlib, how the we can use the matplotlib to generate the different kinds of graphical display regarding the data. R can be regarded as an implementation of the S language. So as we have discussed earlier, that basically R was developed based on the S language characteristics, and it was developed at a Bell laboratory by Rick Baker and John Chambers, Alan Wickes. They have developed a S plus system, which was the basis for developing the R programming language. So let us discuss about the features of R. So R is a well-developed, simple, and effective programming language, which includes conditional, loops, user-defined recursive function, input. So as we have already aware with our other languages, I think some of you have familiar with the C++, and all of you are already familiar with the C++ and Java, and some of you have a good command with them. But these languages come with the different kinds of conditional operations, loops, and you can define your own function within those programming languages as per your requirement. And you can also process the file operation. You can also process the input and output. So R comes with all the features which is required to perform conditional statements, loops within the data set. You can define your own functions and you can perform the file input or output operations. So basically R was developed to keep in mind to perform the data statistics analysis. So it comes with a very good effective data handling and storage facility compared to other languages. So R provides us operator for calculation, perform calculation on arrays, list, vector, and other matrices. It provides a large, coherent, integrated collection of tools for data analysis. It also comes with the graphical features to display the data on a computer screen. Now, let us go a brief idea how the R program will work. So if you are using the Unix-based operating system or the Windows-based operating system, if you have installed the R, then if you type the R, you will get this description. So it will show you the version of R uh, and what is the copyright information. Then it again shows you that R is a free software and comes with absolutely no warranty. So if you are developing something, some software using the R, so there is a no warranty that whatever the profit and loss, if you are gaining from those software, that is your own concept. Our developer team does not have any responsibility related to your development. You can distribute it under certain conditions. So as we have already discussed, it comes with the GPU, general public licenses. So we can download the codes, we can modify, customize it, and distribute to anyone. But we have to follow those rules. If you want to see what are the licenses, rules and regulations, you can type the license, and after that you will see the different details related to the license. R is a collaborative project with many contributors. So if you type the contributors, then you will get information about the different contributors. One thing, if you type the demo or the help, you will get a help and the demo using the R language. And at the last, if you want to quit, then you should type the quit queue with open and close bracket, and you will get it. So this example is taken from the tutorialspoint.com. So you can go to that particular site and refer it. Okay, next. So if you want to launch the R interpreter, we have to type R and then we perform enter it, then we'll get the R interpreter. So if you want to write first program hello world using the R, so it has a simple syntax. So you can write the variable name and you can assign a string to that variable. You can print the is variable, and you will get the output. Okay. But if you want to save the file, so you can save the file with the file name dot extension R, and if you want to execute that file, you can execute R script test dot R. So there are online websites which provide you to run this program. So let us go to that particular website and we'll run the program. So if I will go to this website, and so it will give us this kind of feature. So you can write your first program by defining a string variable and assigning a value to this string variable, and you will print it. You will get the output that is assigned to the string variable. Okay. So in this class, I want all of you that you should open this link to execute the R script online. Okay, and you can execute the code of displaying the hello world. So let me write the code. So we can write my string hello here my string. Now I will print my. So when I will execute it, I will get the output of my string. So guys, I will expect from all of you that you should go to this particular link. Let me open the link again. I'm sharing the link in the chat box, and go through this link and just run the first program, and you can run this program using this tutorial and just post your screenshot. Let me share the Google Drive for you where you can post your screenshot. One moment. Let me share the third year AC G uh, let me open the drive, and I'm sharing the link of this drive. Let me change the configuration, change link to editor. Anyone can, no, let me change, can edit. Let me update the copy link, done. So I'm pasting the link in the chat box. You can access the link of drive using the chat box, and just execute this command, and this is a program, and I want the screenshot from file name with your respective name, and just post in the Google Drive so that I can assure that you are running your first program using the R programming language. So please go on, take your time and run the program and paste the screenshot inside the Google Drive. Am I audible to everyone? Question is clear to everyone? Any doubt? You can write your first program and print in the Please proceed with the hello world program, then perform the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and all the basic operation that you do with the R programming language. Please post a screenshot in the Google Drive, everyone. So I have run a one program that will calculate the square of the first element of vector UI. So UI vector UI containing the random number between the 30. So let me paste the print the what is the so these are the different kinds of number u1 and we are calculating the square root of these elements. Please. So I'm expecting some response from your side in the Google Drive. So still no response is there. If you have any confusion or query, you can ask the question. Your attendance will be marked based on the Google Drive upload. So please upload a screenshot with your name, roll number, and name. If you have any query, you can use the chat box. Please provide your response. No response is yet. It's a simple program, two-line program. Please execute it and share your screenshot. Everyone, please. If you have any query, please write in the chat box. Google Drive is accessible to everyone. Anyone has any issues while accessing the Google Drive? Okay, one response has been received. Who has Amartya? Amartya, you have should rename the file. Let me open the file. Okay, very good. So Amar, please proceed with addition, subtraction of the program and create a for loop to print the 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, okay. Please proceed. One response only. Guys, please provide the response. Okay, second response is uploaded from Kuvar Bhaskar. Let me open the response. Okay, good, very good. Are you running this program on mobile? Are you using mobile?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So I think there is a problem with typing. It's okay. Just write a simple program, a for loop, if you're comfortable with typing on mobile. Please go ahead. So there are two responses. Expecting response, there are 13 students. I'm expecting 13th response. Everyone. Okay, so that's all for today's session. This session will be open for your responses. Thank you.